Librans, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for April 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using this love oracle deck that I have here. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of March, stepping into April 2022, we have the Four of Cups. You know, this lady, she seems to be a bit down and out. Perhaps you were also emotional at this time. This is the Cups energy, so certainly some issues were bothering you. Maybe you needed to retreat from certain situations, or you had to find alternatives to the problems that were there. Sometimes, we think people are two-faced, but then the universe did conspire to make everything all right for you. To overcome this month or the challenges that Librans are going to face is the Nine of Pentacles. This is the energy which is expecting you to work very hard. You cannot be lax. Librans, largely you desire balance in your relationships or in your work environment. I think you're somebody who wants time alone. You want to make plans for your future. You want a stable life. Maybe you should also tap into your contacts. You could benefit if you could network a bit. I think the extra work is also going to pile up this month, so you need to find a way out, or you should find the balance that you desire. Influences for this month, we have the Knight of Swords. This energy is asking you not to be complacent. You have to be up and about. Opportunities are going to be there and it is yours for the taking. Maybe because of this uprush of energy, you could also be a bit distracted, so you need to focus that much harder. Generally speaking, I think Librans, you need to organize yourself this month. Maybe you could also be technically a bit challenged. Technology could frustrate you, so to speak, so you have to find alternatives here. Nevertheless, I think this month appreciation is also on the cards. I think your creative side will be much admired and things will go according to plan if you capitalize. The first 10 days of April, we have the Eight of Wands. This is another very active card. This is bringing in good news for you. Maybe there's a job offer or opening, so you should check your mail. I think your social circle is also going to widen. Maybe many of you are also going to be making those travel plans, or you're going to be at another place, so this could also open avenues of income for you. Perhaps Librans, you should also live within the boundaries. Some people could question your motives as well. Even if there are going to be those openings or work offers, sometimes you may feel that your expectations are not going to be met. You also have to be prepared for there are going to be days when there's going to be more hard work in store for you. Sometimes your colleagues could question your focus or your commitment, so that is why you need to pull up your socks. In case you're in the leadership position, I think you're going to take unruly workers to task. I think you will not put up with nonsense because you want professionalism within the work environment. Perhaps there are some people who are also spreading gossip about you. I think Librans, in case you're dealing with legal matters, you can expect delays. Maybe you believe that this lawyer is just prolonging your case. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th April, we have the Queen of Pentacles here. This energy is asking you to focus on material matters. You should also look at the larger picture. Sometimes we make those short-term gains, but then in hindsight, we may feel that we have lost out more than we could have bargained for. Again, Librans should also be careful because I am picking up right now that there's going to be rivalry and your opponents are also going to be up to mischief this month. Perhaps, in the course of the month, things would be revealed to you. I think you should also assert yourself rather than allow people to take you for granted. Maybe financial transactions is also something which is going to keep you preoccupied this month. The final days of April, we have the Two of Cups. This is a very welcome card in your reading. I think largely this month is all about making gains, so you should feel content even in these final days. There are going to be surprises, even reunions are also going to be there. for Librans. So you cannot be living all by yourself, or you cannot isolate yourself like this Nine of Pentacles energy. You're definitely going to be taxed or overburdened physically or mentally, but you can take heart from the fact that everything is going to be fruitful for you. You are going to be happy with the output. I think credit is also going to come in on account of your very professional attitude. From the Normand, we have this card tree, which definitely talks about a past life relationship or even a health issue. Maybe many Librans, you're going to be concerned about your own health or a particular health matter. I think your health could also leave you a bit anxious, but I think you needn't worry because you're going to get the necessary medical assistance this month. With respect to your love life, I have this card, thoughts of you fill up my senses. Like I said, many of you could also be dealing with a past life issue here or a past life relationship. So possibly, for some of you, I'm picking up that there could be a person from your past who is re-entering your life. Perhaps you have a deep soul connection with this person. Incidentally, Librans, I'm also picking up that there could be a choice in love here. Someone could show an interest in you, but then there could be another suitor who is vying for your attention this month. So you definitely are going to be pursued. You definitely have options when it comes to matters of the heart. Perhaps this knight is someone who is quite adventurous. He wants to take his chance with you. I think there are going to be other admirers, but then I think unwanted attention is also quite likely this month. So Librans, you should guard against that. Maybe because you're mingling with others, you're quite social, that is why you're receptive or you're open to the idea of love. But you should be careful because, like I said, there could be unwanted attention coming your way. Maybe there are also married men who are showing more than a passing interest in you. They are insecure in your presence as well. Nevertheless, I think Librans, in case you're already romancing, you're going to be thinking about this person. You're going to be always feeling his presence around you. I think some of you also need to reassure your person that you have no plans to return to your former person or former admirer. Perhaps Librans, you also want to make your relationship more public, but your person could ask you to keep it secret for the time being. Nevertheless, I think those of you who are introducing your partner or your lover to your friends and acquaintances, I think you're going to get the thumbs up, or this relationship is going to get the blessings. At times, Librans, you will also discuss work-related strategies with your person. On the other hand, married Librans, I think you need to avoid disagreements. Maybe there are people or outside influences which are affecting your marriage this month. Money could also be a factor here because money is being spent on medical issues. Maybe for some of you, the issue of infidelity could also crop up. Ideally, I think Librans, you should appreciate each other or your partner. Perhaps that is why the universe is asking you to focus on shadow work this month. We all have some habits which we can do without, or there are going to be repeated patterns and cycles in our life which keep affecting us emotionally, mentally, physically. So this is something we cannot push under the carpet. Rather, we need to address it because these blockages are impeding our progress at the soul level. And this definitely affects our relationships with others. Perhaps Librans, this month you need to put things into perspective. You need to find out your flaws, or you should work on your flaws for your soul's evolution. I hope Librans, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.